Understanding, Miss the Mark, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into the world of idiomatic expressions. Specifically, we'll explore the phrase, miss the mark. This idiom is a fascinating part of the English language, and understanding it can really enhance your conversational skills. So, let's get started. Miss the mark is an idiom that means to fail to achieve the desired result or to be inaccurate in judgment or decision. The phrase originates from archery, where missing the mark meant failing to hit the target. In everyday use, it's applied to situations where someone's efforts don't meet the expected standards or goals. 1. In work context, the new advertising campaign missed the mark, leading to lower sales than expected. 2. In personal relationships, I tried to cheer him up with a joke, but I guess I missed the mark since he seemed even sadder. 3. In academic settings, her thesis missed the mark on addressing the core question of the research. It's important not to confuse miss the mark with physical actions. It's used metaphorically. For instance, saying, he missed the mark while playing darts, is a literal interpretation and not how the idiom is typically used. When using this phrase, it's usually in the context of critiquing or evaluating an action or decision. Remember, it's often used to describe a failure in meeting an objective or standard, not just a simple mistake. We hope this video has helped you understand the idiom, miss the mark. Remember, idioms are a great way to add color to your language and express ideas in a nuanced way. Keep practicing, and don't worry if you miss the mark sometimes, it's all part of the learning process. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.